As a consumer, when I'm looking for a home, there are 3 primary search points I use: price, location, and bedroom count. Ensuring the property will have enough bedrooms for my family is crucial. There are many different interpretations of what constitutes a bedroom. The Beaches MLS committee assigned a task force to define this one field in our rules. Using the existing language and incorporating Florida Building Code, the group came up with the following definition. Bedroom: a room that can be used for sleeping and that has a closet and a door, or an entrance where a door could be reasonably installed, and has an emergency means of escape and rescue opening to the outside, like a window. If the property has been converted and the room no longer fits the definition of a bedroom, it cannot be listed as part of the bedroom count, unless the seller is going to pay for the room to be converted as part of the purchase price. If they're not, it's not a bedroom. This includes rooms like offices, dens, lofts, and others. If you're unsure of the bedroom count on your listing, please contact the compliance department for assistance at compliance@beachesmls.com. To report a listing that has an inaccurate bedroom count, please use the report violation link. For more field definitions and information about the Beaches MLS rules and regulations, please visit our website at ourworld.com.